I'm Doug from Global West. Thought I'd take a minute here to talk to you about these control arms we have here on the table. They happen to be for 1973 through 77 Chevelles, Monte Carlos, Buick Century, Pontiac Le Mans, GTO, Olds Cutlass. In fact, there's a few other A-bodies that these particular arms will fit. Now what we've done in these control arms is we've changed the geometry curve a little bit. We've added some casters to the arms, we've changed the camber curve, and what the intent to do is to make the car drive better. It'll have better straight line stability, it'll help the corner entry, and we're going to get better tire life by going to a package like this, especially with this geometry curve that we've set. So let me talk to you about the arm itself. We've got our Del-A-Lum bushings in the upper control arm here. As you can see, they're fully lubable. They have a grease fitting right here. Del-A-Lum bushings work on a 6-surface design. They have an inner rotating sleeve with inner and outer separate thrust washers. Now the reason why I say they're separate is they're not attached to the inner sleeve. So basically what this does is it allows this control arm to move straight up and straight down without bind. It acts like a bearing in a sense. We also have it on a billet cross shaft which we make. And the arm also comes with upper ball joints. Now these ball joints are a standard upper ball joint. So eventually when a ball joint wears out, you can get a replacement anywhere in the country. Bump stop is also included on the control arm. You don't have to worry about losing one on the frame or whatever. It's on the arm. And that's for full droop application. So if when you lift the vehicle up, of course, the bump stop is going to hit the frame first and keep everything from going into bind so the ball joints don't over travel. These particular control arms are direct bolt-on. We give you new alignment specs. The very last page of our instruction sheet will have specific specs for this. We don't recommend trying to go back to a standard alignment with these control arms. It's going to be a little difficult. You have a weird, the way the shim stack is going to be between the frame and the arm. It's not going to be correct. You're going to go to our alignment specs, not to the factory. This part number is a CTA 37A. They come pre-assembled just like you see here. You can use them with a stock lower control arm. These things are, the arms are going to basically correct geometry and improve the drivability of the car. That's what their intent is for. CTA 37A.